Alright guys, this one's going to be done the same way. So first let's read it. Calculate the number of moles, right? So I'm starting with moles. This produced when 0.097 moles of C4H12 combust. Okay, super complicated sounding, but let's break it down. So let's start with our acronym again. Guns, get our givens, put a 1 underneath it, fill in the rest of our numbers, and then we're going to solve it. All right, so before I'm not even going to turn my brain on yet, I'm just going to write down my givens. It's only giving me 1 for now, so I'm just going to write down 0.097 moles C4H12, right, and I'm going to put it over 1. Okay. Now I'm going to set up my problem. Now I'm going to get my numbers in there. So first of all, I'm starting here at moles of one thing, moles of C4H12, and it's asking me to figure out how much water I would need. So I'm starting here. To figure out the numbers I put in, I have to look at my mole ratio. My mole ratio comes from my balanced equation. This is my balanced equation. I know that because it says right here, from balanced chemical equation. So now I'm going to look here and just find my numbers. So I put the mole of the thing I'm looking for on top. So I'm going to go ahead and write that before I write in any numbers. Mole of, what am I looking for again? Water, which is H2O. Great. Over the mole of the thing that I already have. So that's mole C4H12. Cool. Now I just fill in these numbers. And I use my mole ratio for my balanced equation. So from mole H2O, I have 6. I'm going to put a 6 in here. And then for my mole of C4H12, I have a 1. Great. So this is going to equal, and as you can see, cancel, cancel. So I'm just left of the unit I want. And I'm going to actually write, so what is 6 times that number? I have no idea, so let me pull up my calculator for a second, clear off the last problem. All right, 0.097 times 6 equals 0.582. Okay, so 0.582. Remember that because I'm going to take the calculator off the screen. 0.582 equals 0.582, and the unit I have, the only unit left that wasn't crossed out, is this, mole of H2O. Here's my final answer, is 0.582 moles of H2O. So what this is saying is that when I have this many moles of C4H12, I can produce, because it's on my product side, I can make this many moles. So that's what this is saying.